In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Notion Calendar. By the end, you'll have a clean, simple setup that actually helps you stay productive without feeling overwhelmed. First, build around one clear system. Most people create too many calendars and then stop using them. Keep it simple with just 3 buckets: personal, work or school, and tasks. If you already use other calendars, connect them so everything shows in one place. Consolidating your view reduces context switching and makes it easier to commit to what's on your plate. Next, lean on databases. This is where Notion Calendar really shines. Create databases such as tasks, projects, or a content plan, and add a date property to each. The moment you set a date, it appears on your calendar automatically. For example, study math on March 30th at 3 p.m. or upload YouTube video on April 2nd. Think of each database item as a structured event with details you can track, filter, and revisit later. Now, turn your list into a plan with time blocking. Instead of vague reminders, assign start and end times: 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock for study, 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock for work, 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock for gym. This transforms your calendar into a realistic schedule. Make sure every task has both a start and an end time, so it reserves space and prevents double booking. Organize visually with categories. Add a property like type or category, and use clear labels such as work, personal, study, and urgent. Color coding makes your calendar instantly scannable, and it also helps you filter by focus area when you need to narrow your view. Bring everything together by syncing your external calendars. Connect services like Google Calendar or iCloud Calendar so deadlines, appointments, and reminders live in one place. If you prefer, block personal events automatically on your work calendar to protect your focus time. Link tasks to pages for depth. Each event can open a Notion page where you keep notes, files, or related subtasks. A project meeting, for example, can link to the agenda, decisions, and follow-ups, so everything is one click away when the event starts. Use the right view at the right time. Switch to a daily view for focused execution, a weekly view for planning, and a monthly view for a high-level overview. Adjusting the perspective keeps your workload balanced. Finally, avoid common pitfalls. Don't flood the calendar with tiny tasks, don't leave everything as all day, and don't mix random items without categories. Keep it simple, time-bound, and labeled, and your Notion calendar will stay clean, dependable, and genuinely helpful.